Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. So I've been working like crazy. Jessica was working like crazy. Moving into this house has been insane. We're gonna give you the second tour of what we've done in the past 2 months or however how long the last video was out. That room, we're not going that room right now. That's a disaster. So we're gonna go upstairs back to where we're going. Last time you heard we wanted to change the cabinets. A lot has happened in the past couple months that I will try to get to in this video. Not all good, but we persevered, as some may say. So we're walking upstairs now, like last video, and bam, we're back with the old couch from the old house. We got blinds up now. We have blinds up, which was not a real pain, but a little different. We got this plant that, I don't know, this couch is old, we don't worry about that. Then we have our TV, 75-inch Q80 Samsung. I wanted 85, I'm eventually getting one. This will be the man cave TV eventually. 85 will be next, but until then, I think we're cool with the 75. Fits somewhat perfect in there. And I put a Nest thermostat in. Of course, they didn't paint around this, so I got to paint around that. It's kind of cold in our house right now. It is what it is. We don't like being cold or being hot. So, I guess this is the moment you guys been waiting for. I guess some people saw it in my stories on Instagram, but here is the kitchen. All right, so a lot's going on, lots of different in the kitchen now. We have new light fixtures that I put up. I'm gonna take credit for what I did. We have coffee station that's all Jessica's stuff. Coffee stuff. You see that everything's white. Everything's white now. So yeah, we painted the cabinets, added the top. I don't know what that means, but yeah, we added the top of the cabinets up there. Added the door pulls. As you can see, this is gold and white right now. Well, kind of whitish, goldish, trying to go with the theme. We bought these chairs from Wayfair. We went with like a steel gray at the bottom of the island. Don't mind the cooler. I'll tell you about the cooler later. So we walk up to the patio now. As you see, the patio's up. We have furniture at the patio now. And we haven't used it yet, to be honest. I gotta buy a mount to put that on. Let me go a second. So y'all gotta put like a cement bracket on us just to hold us down. Yeah, we'd be good. Then we got our flowers here. Your name, something. But yeah, so we got, let me see, what else do we have in here? We got our knives, fixtures, and everything. Krispy Kreme donuts. Don't remember that donut. Look at that. And last but not least, the fridge that we waited so long to get. It's a cafe model, whatever. It had to be custom made and whatever. We actually bought these door handles separate to go with the theme of the kitchen. They're gold. I don't think we're gonna go too crazy with gold, but we just a little hint of gold here. And we have, I don't know if you guys saw this, but we have this guy, gold and black, somewhat gold and black, gold and silver, gold handles. And this thing that I posted on my story that everybody liked, it's called a chandelier. She bought it, and it's a chandelier, but the reason, let me see if I got that one. Moving stuff. Off. Okay. And a lot of things in this house is A lot of things in here in this house is ran by remote, as in your phone. We have smart blinds here, and if we don't focus, we're gonna have a problem. So smart blinds, you can see if you put, I'm in the living room, so that's the only blinds we have right now. So close the blinds. And you just hit open. Just a nice little touch. You don't actually need these, but we just threw it on there just for what. They get charged. They have they're solar powered, so they get charged constantly by the sun. And at during the evening time, the sun sets over here, so we get a lot of sunlight coming this direction. So that's good. So we're back upstairs, and these are the 2 bedrooms that we didn't have anything in. So we it's now a day bed. It's a queen size bed. It's a light, and that's it. Problem is we have a smart bulb in here. We're trying to figure it out. Put another theme just goes on with the diamond in blinds. I don't know much about those. Maybe she should have been here for this video, but we'll get it later. So we have the same blinds. Each room is equipped with a TV somehow that I haven't installed yet, but I'll get to it. And also, this is the second guest room. Mainly the first guest room people will go to because I think it has a more sturdier bed. I don't know, that's just my opinion. Let me go up some light in here just to get it. And by the way, these aren't smart blinds, these are just regular blinds. So let's go to the master. And before we go in here, I want you guys to realize how big this room actually is. I didn't realize how big the room was before I don't know. It just feels weird, but here's the master. Now look at this wall where this TV's mounted at. I had a point similar in just to give you guys some time. Bam! That is a 50-inch TV. I'm not saying that we shouldn't get a bigger TV, but I think we should get a bigger TV. And the reason, if you guys are wondering why it's almost centered to the right, because I centered it with the bed, and we're going to put a chair right here to offset it with a plant or something like that. So don't kill me in the comments. Righty. And I got to fix the wiring. We don't like seeing wires and stuff. So like I said earlier, everything in this house is ran by remote, or most everything. So we have garage app. So with the garage app, you can open the garage door at anywhere. Like I had some work to get done. I was at work, open the garage door from work, boom, bada bang, bada boom. And we're gonna show you what's changed in the garage. Some of you guys might like it, some of you guys won't. Hey, we'll see what happens. A lot of things have upgraded, so to speak, since we last seen each other. So yeah, I kind of bought something since the last week. Like I said, the crazy thing about it was, quick story. It's Dodge Challenger Hellcat, red eye, wide body. I actually didn't want a new car. I was waiting for the Tesla truck. That was my main baby. I wanted a Tesla truck so bad. That was what I wanted at the time. But it just took so long for it to come out. And It was funny because a week after I made that last video I made, I was ready to make weekly videos, and my RT that was originally in here in the first video that you guys probably seen a couple times in my videos, it died. Basically, I went to Home Depot, basically head gasket blew. And honestly, the cost of the repair cost was more than the car was worth, and I had to say goodbye to my baby. Yeah, that was it. So I decided went to the car dealership. Had no intentions on buying a car that day. I just wanted to look, see what it had some good deals, so to speak. And yeah, this thing is Hell Raising. It's called Hell Raising. Yeah, so where that is. So next video, I'll probably take you guys for a ride. And so, yeah, a lot has happened in the past couple months. A lot has changed, but you guys stay tuned. I got a little bit more things in store. I got a grill coming. I got oh yeah, the fridge. That's why the cooler is in the cooler is inside of the kitchen, because I had the old fridge down here, but a guy gave me an offer of whatever for it, and I couldn't refuse it. So I was like, okay, well, save some space. We don't have a lot of space in the garage. Jessica was hitting stuff inside the garage because, you know, women driving. Just jokes. Just jokes. Just jokes. So yeah, he bought the car. He bought the fridge, and now I've got I want to grill because, you know, it's the weekend. It's getting hotter. It's a little warmer, and I'm off for a week. I have nothing else to do, so I can cook stuff on a grill like men do with fire. But I'm not gonna ramble anymore, guys. See you guys later. Next video should be in the car, describing the car or whatever it is, if you guys are interested. The wife has some more things coming at the house we'll more discuss. So stay tuned for the next video. This was a quick update. I don't know how quick it is. It may be a longer video than I wanted it to be. But you guys have a good day. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe mostly. Watch a little videos. Keep it going. All right. Until then, see you.